In this video, I'll show you how to use multi-touch gestures like 4 fingers or even 5 fingers to open and close apps and even navigate around your iPad. So for example, I could get the list of the running apps using this 5 fingers or 4 fingers zoom in like this, zoom out. So a pinch with 5 fingers or a pinch with 4 fingers will open this kind of task manager where you can see all the running apps. You can either do it with 4 fingers or 5 fingers to hide or show the task manager. It's easier to do it with 5 fingers. It's more natural. It's like grabbing all the apps and see what apps are running. So I can go to the Notes app and I can do this even while the keyboard is on. And I can go to the Notes app there. I can change to the settings. You can also switch between the apps using this option here, this taskbar here. So this is a really fast way to switch between apps. But if you want to switch between apps and you don't know exactly which apps you want to switch to, maybe it's not exactly close to each other, because this space bar option, this navigation bar swipe, if you only have 2 apps open, it's easier to use the space bar, but yeah, it's easier when you have more to know exactly to which app you're going. You can also use the same gesture, 5 finger pinch, to show your home screen. So I can do the same gesture again and they're gone, the apps are gone. And then I can switch from one app and I could see it like, now I can see the running apps. And also the easiest way to see the home screen is to swipe from below up here and then you see the home screen. If the 4 or 5 finger gestures don't work for you, it's pretty easy to fix. Open the settings app and then go to multitasking and gestures. In the multitasking and gestures menu, you have to choose how you will multitask. On the newer iPads, you have the windowed app mode where you can simply make a window float anywhere on the screen and you can resize it, you can enlarge it like this. Older iPads, they will have Stage Manager and full screen apps. This is how it works there. And you need to check 4 and 5 fingers app switching. This should be on if you want to be able to use these gestures with the 4 fingers or 5 fingers. Thanks for watching.